Receiving money through Worldremit is easy, but let's break down exactly how to claim it, ensuring you get your money safely and quickly. First, confirm how the sender chose to send the money. Did they select cash pickup, mobile money, bank transfer, or airtime top-up? This dictates your collection steps. Check your SMS and email notifications from Worldremit. These contain essential information, including the reference number, amount sent, and the pickup location or details. If you're claiming cash, you'll need valid government photo identification, like a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Always go to the correct payout location listed in your Worldremit notification. Look for authorized payout agents specific to the country, such as banks, money transfer outlets, or other designated businesses. For mobile money transfers, the process is even simpler. The money is directly deposited into your mobile wallet. Ensure your mobile money account is active and registered. You may receive a notification confirming the deposit if required. You might need to enter a unique transfer reference number to access the funds. When at the agent location or bank, present your ID and the Worldremit transaction reference number to the cashier. The cashier will verify your information and process the payout. Finally, check the amount you're receiving matches the amount sent, ensuring the funds are complete. Always safeguard your reference number and never share it with anyone you don't trust. And it's that simple, collecting your money quickly and securely through Worldremit. Don't forget to like and sub for more tips.